Welcome back to day 3 on Celebrity Edge. Today we have a full day at Santorini. Today we have booked an excursion with Celebrity using our onboard credit. We are doing Aegean on your own, which allows us to visit both Aegean and Fira. We will arrive at Santorini at around 12 o'clock, giving us plenty of time to take in the stunning scenery as we glide in. Anyone who has booked on a Celebrity excursion will get priority leaving the ship. But first you will meet in the theatre for your disembarkation group. Here they will take you to deck 2 where the magic carpet is lowered. This is the best disembarkation platform we have ever used out of all our cruises done to date. We were tended into the new ferry port. Here it was extremely busy with people leaving the island and catching the many excursion coaches. Due to this, it took the coach longer than expected to zigzag its way to the top of the island. It takes around half an hour to reach Aegean. There we were led into the centre by a guide, and here we had plenty of time to explore. In Aegean, you will see what you expect to see on the island of Santorini. It's an Instagrammer's paradise, full of whitewashed houses and the infamous blue domes. Today we were really lucky, as we are the only ship that has docked in Santorini. We had plenty of time to meander around this stunning village. However, be prepared to queue for the Instagram shots. Being from the UK, we were used to doing this. Don't be a lemming and follow everybody else. Find your own path and you'll be surprised at what you can find. Just enough time to grab a glass of wine at Alexios. The view alone was worth the cost of the glass. Back on the coach to spend the rest of the day exploring Fira. Time for a bite to eat and a well-deserved glass of wine or two. We should have just ordered a bottle. We could not move from this stunning view. However, if you want to see the sunset here, make sure you reserve a table. Fira is a gorgeous village to wander around, where if you are after the blue domes for your Instagram shot, you won't find them here, but there are plenty of stunning views. Included in our excursion was a ticket to the cable car back down to the old port. These run from 6:30 AM to 10 PM. Our last tender to the ship was 9 o'clock. The cost of a cable car one way for an adult is €6 and €3 for a child. Under 5s go free. Adjust your screen, the cable car does sway a bit. The other option is to take the 580 steps down, dodging the donkey poo. Our last glimpse of the island before heading back to the ship. There's something to be said about Celebrity service. They don't fail. A cold towel and a flavoured water at hand after this very hot day was an unexpected welcome. Santorini lived up to our expectations and we will definitely come again. Now back on to enjoy our stunning ship. We can't wait to do Apex and beyond. Can't beat getting back on the ship via Destination Gateway, and now just enough time to enjoy a glass of complimentary champagne whilst enjoying the sunset. Next stop, the rooftop garden grill for the second of our specialty dining venues. Yet again we booked this prior to boarding so that we could take in the stunning views and dined as we sailed away. We shared pork sliders and chicken wings for starters, lamb chops and burger for our mains, finishing up with a couple of desserts. The service was yet again exceptional and the food totally delivered to above our expectations. If you think this is nothing more than a burger grill, then think again. Thanks for watching and see you all in Rhodes.